Welcome to digital classes. Hello students. This video is for class ninth. Subject is science. Chapter number 1, chemistry. Matter in our surrounding. Now matter. Matter is the substance which have mass and occupy space, and matter is made up of very tiny particle. For example, notebook, pen, star, sun, planet, air, etc. Now the characteristic of the particles. Matter is made up of tiny particles. So the characteristic of particles are they are continuously moving. They have space between them. They attract each other. They are continuously moving means they possess kinetic energy. Means every object when in motion they possess kinetic energy. They have space between them means there is a space between the molecules. They attract each other. Attraction is due to the interparticle force. It is different in all three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gases. Now I explain the first property of particle. Particle of matter are continuously moving. Particle possess kinetic energy. As its temperature rise, particle move faster because kinetic energy may increase. Now let us take an example. Take one glass of water, place it undisturbed. Put 2-3 colorful drop. Then you will see the particles of color mix in the water, and after some time the color is spread through all the water. So this shows that the particles are in motion. Okay, now heat that water. When we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy also increase. The mixing time of color in water is also increase. So this shows that the kinetic energy, this shows due to the kinetic energy. Now movement in minimum in solid, more in liquid, maximum in gases. Now minimum in solid, because their molecules are tightly packed, so there is lot of force of attraction between the molecules, so the kinetic energy is very less. In liquid, the molecules have enough space, the force of attraction is less as compared to solid, so there is kinetic energy more than the solid. Now the maximum kinetic energy in air, because air is a fluid and able to move in any direction, and so the gases possess kinetic energy at the maximum level because their molecules are free to move in any direction. There is negligible force of attraction between the molecules. Now second is particle of matter having space between them. The space between the particle, maximum in gases, minimum in solid, more in liquid. Okay, now let us take an activity or example. Take one glass of water, keep it undisturbed and mark the water label. Now put few spoons of sugar, salt, and stir that solid as salt or sugar well, and check the particles mixed with each other or not. Then leave them undisturbed for few time and check the water level. The water level cannot increase because there is a space between the molecules in liquid, so the solid like sugar or salt take the free space, so the water level cannot rise. If the water level cannot rise, it shows that there is a space between the particle. Now the third, particle of matter attract each other. The force of attraction is maximum in solid, intermediate in liquid, negligible in gas. Because the particles are very closely packed in solid, loosely packed in liquid, and very loosely packed in gases, means there is very less force of attraction between the gas. Open the tap and allow the water to fall. Now put one finger it between the water, then you will see the water change its path, but at the end it comes again and fall same like before. This shows that there is a force of attraction between the particles, maximum at solid, intermediate means slightly less in liquid, and negligible means there is no force, almost zero force of attraction between the gases. See my finger carefully. Now the three state of matter, solid, liquid and gases. You see the arrangement of particles in solid, then liquid and gas. In solid the particles are close together. In liquid there is a space little far from each other. In gases they are very far apart. Now solid have definite shape, distinct boundary, rigid, incompressible, definite volume. Means solid have a definite shape due to a small interparticle distance and strong interparticle force of attraction. Solid have a fixed shape and distinct boundary like the pen in your hand or a table in the classroom. Now the next, solids are rigid. Rigidity means that the solid have the tendency to maintain shape when some outside force is applied. Let us take an example. If we take an iron nail and hammer it, it changes its shapes, but it cannot break. Means it is rigid to maintain its shape. Solid have a definite volume. Due to small interparticle distance, solid cannot be compressed and hence they have a definite volume. Some solids can be compressed. For example, sponge is a solid which can be easily compressed. This is because sponge has minute holes in which air is trapped. When we press it, air is expelled, the sponge is compressed. And now one more example, if we take a stone and try to press it, so it is not compressible because their shape is definite and there is no free space between the molecules to compress. Now in liquid, no definite shape, no definite boundaries, fluidity, low compressibility, definite volume. Liquid do not have a fixed shape but have a fixed volume. The interparticle force of attraction in liquid are strong enough to keep the particles together. They have a fixed volume. But these forces are not strong enough to keep the particle in fixed position. Therefore, liquid do not have a fixed shape, but it take the shape of a vessel or a container. Now, solid are not rigid but have the property to flow, means fluidity. Due to the large interparticle distance and weaker force of attraction than in solid, liquid can flow and change shape. Thus, liquid are not rigid but passes fluidity. Their respective fluidity differ from one liquid to the another. For example, water flow faster than the honey or glycerine, because glycerine, we know that glycerine or honey are thicker than or denser than water. The compressibility is very low because we have to compress liquid not very much, slightly. Definite volume means it take the shape of any container in which we keep the liquid, so their volume is fixed. Now in gas neither have a definite shape or nor a definite volume. Gas do not have a definite shape but acquire the shape of the vessel in which they are placed. Gases do not have a definite volume. For example, if we put a gas or transfer gas from smaller vessel to the bigger vessel, it fills the bigger vessel. In other words, the volume of a gas is equal to the volume of the container. Gas have maximum fluidity and least rigidity due to the large interparticle space and weak interparticle force of attraction. Gases have high fluidity and least rigidity. Gases are highly compressible as interparticle space in the gaseous state are very large. They can be decreased by applying pressure. Thus, a gas can be compressed easily by applying pressure. In other words, gases are highly compressible due to high compressibility. Large volume of gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transport easily. For example, liquefied petroleum gas LPG, which we use in our home for cooking, and oxygen supplies to the hospital in the cylinder is compressed gas. These days, compressed natural gas CNG is also used as a fuel in the vehicle in metro cities. Now, this is not available in Bihar. Maybe the government start as soon as possible. Let us do an activity to check the compressibility of three state of matter. Take 300 ml syringe and close their nozzle by the rubber cork. Remove the piston from all the syringe. Leave the first syringe as such. Fill the second series with water and third series by chalk. Now insert the piston back into the cylinder. Try to compress the content by pushing the piston in each syringe. What do you observe? The piston of the first syringe, which contain air, moved in considerably on applying pressure. This means that on applying pressure, air gas can compress to the smaller volume. The piston of the second syringe will contain water, move in only slightly in applying pressure. This means that liquid are only slightly compressible. The piston of the third syringe, which contains chalk pieces, did not move in at all. This means the solid are completely incompressible. I will show you a photo in which three syringes are there. You will see. Watch carefully. The compressibility of gas is maximum, liquid is more than gas, and solid is negligible. See, the next topic is change of state of matter. Matter can change state by changing the temperature. Second, by changing the pressure. See the three state of matter: solid, liquid is solid, liquid, and gas in one side, and again gas, liquid, and solid in the another side. Solid. Let us take an example. Ice. Ice is a solid. When we heat the ice, it changes into liquid, and again when we heat the liquid, it changes into gas. Now it is reverse also. When we decrease the temperature, the gas become liquid and the liquid become solid. Means gas, steam become water, water become ice. Now by changing pressure, let us take gas first. If we compress the gas or we insert a pressure on the gas, it changes into liquid, and we insert pressure on liquid, it changes into solid. Take a certain volume of a gas in a cylinder, provide with a piston, compress to a small volume, consequently interparticle distance decrease and the gas particle come too close that they start attracting one another strongly to form a liquid. In other words, the gas gets liquefied by applying of pressure. In our LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, when LPG is compressed, then it change into liquid. You may check with your cylinder, gas cylinder in your home, it is liquid. When you shake cylinder, you will feel the sound of water in the cylinder. I also want to tell you one more thing in this video. Diffusion. I already written in the board diffusion. So the question is, what is diffusion? Intermixing of particle of different type of matter on their own is called diffusion. And the rate of diffusion are different in three state of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. In solid, the particles do not move much from their position. They only vibrate around their mean position. So the property of diffusion is not there. Means solid do not have the property of diffuse into other solid. But liquid possesses the property of diffusion. It diffuse into gases, or diffusion of solid into liquid, diffusion of liquid into liquid, diffusion of gases into solid are possible. Diffusion of solid into liquid: when a crystal of copper sulfate, potassium permanganate, salt, sugar added to the water, the particle of the copper sulfate or potassium permanganate, sugar or salt quickly dissolve in between the particle of water to form a homogeneous solution. Diffusion of liquid into liquid: when water is added to alcohol or vice versa, or acid also, the two liquid quickly diffuse into each other in the form of a homogeneous solution. And the last is diffusion of gases into liquid. Some gases easily like oxygen and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere diffuse into water, diffuse into water or dissolve into water. These gases are essential for the survival of aquatic animals and plants. Gases diffuse very rapidly since interparticle distance are quite large and interparticle force of attraction are very weak. The particles of a gas are moving in different direction with different velocity, As a result of the random motion, the particles of one gas can rapidly move into the space between the particle of the other gases. The spontaneous intermixing of gases is called diffusion. Thus, the gases diffuses very rapidly